In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to completely remove draft campaigns from your Google Ads account. Now, it's actually a very simple process, they just make it a little bit confusing. And if you find the video useful, please consider liking and subscribing. So, let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is go ahead and log into your Google Ads account. So, I'm here on my Google Ads account, and what you want to do is, if you go to the campaign section here, and you see a draft campaign, you'll notice that you can't remove it, and it's very annoying. Even if you've just started a campaign and you've tried to delete it, you'll just notice there's no simple fix to remove it inside of here. Even if you go to drafts, you cannot remove it, and it's just annoying because it clogs up your Google Ads account. So the fix that you've got for this is you actually need to go back to the overview tab here, and what you need to do is scroll down to the bottom. And when you scroll down, you're going to see the draft campaign section here. And what you'll see is with your drafts, there's going to be a button next to them that says remove. You can simply go ahead and click on that button there. And it says, are you sure you want to remove this draft? If you press remove, it's going to go ahead and remove it. So although they don't make it very easy within the campaign section, this is a very, very simple way to do it. And what you'll notice that it will be gone from campaigns just like that. So it's actually very simple to do it, as you can see. It's just a little bit confusing from a UI point of view. But if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below that it helped, and let me know if there's any other videos you'd like me to make about Google Ads or anything else in particular. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.